Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to go do what I love, which is thrifting. It's been a while since I stepped foot in any thrift store. I need some quality time to myself, and thrifting is the way to go for me. I love it so much, and you can just always find something fun and unique in thrift stores. So y'all gonna come along with me. I hope you enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will be sharing lots more here. Alright, so let's get to thrifting. Store, and the first item I want to share is this wooden caddy. I only paid $3 for it, and I think it's perfect to use it as an organizer in the front office where I work. So here you see it's like 3 compartments. I'm going to place my pens and pencils on this side. I can place like sticky notes on that side, and it's just extra space here. No, I didn't clean it yet, so I still have to do that, but this here is just solid piece of wood, great quality. Instead of using it for like an organizer, you can use it for special events. Like if you have family over, you can use it to store your napkins, your utensils. It's just so many ways to use this piece. So I have this one, and $3 was such a great deal. I have this egg basket, which I think that's the proper name for it. Let me know in the comments. But anyway, I paid $5 for it, and I just think it's perfect for that farmhouse touch. And look at that handle. It's very old and rustic looking, and I love those little curvy legs at the bottom. It gives it height. So that was one of my favorite finds right here. Here I have this little dollar sifter. I thought it'd be perfect for my little nieces. Whenever we bake cookies, they always love helping auntie. So I just thought this was cute. I could use it, of course, for decor also, but it's definitely going to come in handy. And here I just thought was so gorgeous. I paid only $1 for this crystal pitcher, and yeah, I love it. I just think it's so cute. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use it for, but knowing me, I'll always find a spot. So love finding unique accessories at the thrift store. So I just have a pair of $3 earrings. It has that vintage look that I love. I have that. And last but not least, I love creating personalized gifts. So instead of buying cards, I like just purchasing blank cards from the thrift store. But look at that illustration, y'all. That is so gorgeous. It's definitely the country touch that I love. And I could just write my personal message in there. So this here was $1 for this whole packet of envelopes and cards. And look at that. Each one is so unique. I could just give it to that special individual. And look at that one, so precious. I love that. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrift haul. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite item. As I mentioned, mine is the egg basket. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, y'all, so be blessed everyone, and I'll chat with y'all soon. Bye, y'all.